Hello everyone, Vomri here and welcome to the Magical Quokka Hop. Today it's a giveaway and we are giving away $15 to the Cat Scrappiness store, so make sure you're signed up for the raffle copter and you are subscribed to the KS newsletter. Here are the products from the new release, so super exciting. This is the Magical Quokka release and we have embellishments, paper, dies, ephemera, so much. So let's get started with this stamp set. This is the Magical Quokka stamp set, and as you can see, you have 3 of these magical quokkas here, and you have all these fun elements that might look familiar from a certain season or movie. I don't know what you would call it. So for this, and you have the envelope or the letter, you have a spell book, you have a key, a potion, that cute vegetable there, you have a hat, and you have a candle. And so for that first quokka there, he is about 1 7/8 by 2 inches, so he's a pretty good size. And then for the next quokka, you have 1 7/8, and he's a little over 2 inches with the cute owl there. And then you do have a spell book that's at about 1 inch by 1 inch, and you do have others images. They're about 3/4 inches, and the third quokka, he's about 2 7/8 by 2 1/4 inch. And so all of these are great sizes and very cute to color and make projects with. And you also have coordinating dies that I will show you in just a second. So, and those will cut out all the pieces. Also, we have a playlist today, so I will have that in the details, so go ahead and click on the playlist to see everyone from the KS creative crew who's participating in the hop. You don't want to miss a chance of winning $15 to the Cat Scrappiness store. We also have an Instagram hop as well, so another chance to win. And so all these pieces, and let me grab the dies for you. And I love that you don't need your tool to break them apart, so thank you, Cat Scrappiness, for that. And all these pieces will cut out all the images on that stamp set, so really neat. Then we have a background die, and this is the 4 houses background die, and really cute. And I went and ink blended mine, and I put some yellow in the lights, or to make it look like it has lights, so I'll share with you in just a second. And those are our wizarding provision dies, and you get a layering hat and a broom, glasses, the flying ball there, and a lightning bolt and a wand. So I will cut those out so you can see those as well. And I will have all the details, and you can click on the products to go to the Cat Scrappiness store and check this out. Isn't this great? This is the Magical Quokka ephemera. So you get 56 pieces, and they are so nice. Look at that cutie there. I love him with the owl. And so you get you get 3 of the different quokkas, like the stamp set. You do get the hat, and you get the spell book. And so it's so fun, because if you don't color but you still love these quokkas, you can go ahead and purchase these and the paper, and you can still make a cute project. And you got let me see, I will grab a few of them out. And then you also have in the back what it shows you what you get, but again, you get 56 pieces, and they're nice quality, so super fun. So I am going to be hoarding a few of these. I did use them on my project. I used a few stamped in colored ones that I watercolored, and then I did use some of this ephemera, so it's great to use both. And I'm going to share with you next the paper pack, which is amazing, and you might want to grab 2 of these. And they are 6x6, 12 patterns, 4 of each design, and this is premium cardstock. And so look how fun these patterns are. I just love them, and I will hoard it, so I will probably grab me another one of these paper packs. And so I'm so excited for the giveaways today, so make sure and hop and check out everybody's project. It will be really fun. We have one older and new embellishment here that are perfect for your project, so you get so much, and you have clay pieces and sequins, and perfect for a shaker card, which I did make a shaker card using the Gryffindor house sprinkle mix. So fun, and I will share with you my projects. I did a tag and a card, and I used I tried to use everything from the new release, and I will be making another project soon, so stay tuned. So I love all these embellishments, and I love the whole release, and I hope you do too. And here are all the dies that I cut out of brown cardstock using the Wizarding Provisions, and so I love that. And I did use acetate behind my glasses, so that is one way you could do it too. Or you can use some clear to look like real glasses. I can't really think of the name of it. And here are the images all stamped up and ready to color. I did watercolor mine, but here they are. Isn't that neat? And then I'm going to share with you my projects, my card, and my tag. So here they are. I love how they came out. I watercolored that quokka there. The book is ephemera, and then I used some of my other watercolor pieces, a sentiment from the Simple Sentiments stamp and coordinating dies, and I love how they shake with all those red balls in there, red and gold. And then I used some Wizarding Provisions. I used ephemera, and then I did use a watercolored potion there and some gold sequins, and then I used some string from my stash. And we do have some projects from our KS Creative crew. This card is by Ravati. It's really cute. I love that quokka. And then we have a slimline card from Priscilla. So really cute. Love the shaker. And then we have Najala's card. Really cute design. So come back to see if you are a lucky winner. Giveaway ends June 15th.